right? So we'll solve the next problem. Take it down. A CDF for the random variable y is given 1 minus exponential minus 2 into z to the power 3 by 2. It is existed here. It should be z, not x here. It is z here. If z is greater than or equals to a 0, and a cumulative distribution function is 0 if this condition is not satisfied, then calculate the probability between the range 0.5 to 0.9. If we go ahead, we know that a probability density function is the differentiation of the cumulative distribution function. All right, given function is a CDF. It is defined in this fashion. So differentiating the equation, we will get differentiation of cumulative distribution function gives the probability density function. Now let us differentiate it. So a differentiation of 1, a differentiation of e to the power minus 2 into z to the power 3 by 2. Write it down. All right. What is differentiation of 1? What is differentiation of 1? Differentiation of 1 is 0. That is written here. Okay. Minus n is written as it is. Then inside the bracket, differentiation of this complete term. So minus sign is written as it is because differentiation of e to the power minus ax equals to minus a into differentiation of e to the power ax. That is written here. Okay. Now after that, let us differentiate this term again. 2 is written as it is. 3 by 2 written as it is. So differentiation of z of 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. That can be written as z to the square root of z. Okay, it is just a differentiation of this complete term. I have explained it. Okay, next is what? Do simplify. Minus into minus, it becomes plus, and these two are cancelled. 3 into square root of z into e to the power. Okay, after simplification, we will get a PDF. Now we need to calculate the probability between the range z1 to z2. That can be obtained by a property number 4. So integration over the limit z1 to z2, it is what? A PDF. That gives the value of a cumulative distribution function. This is the property number 4. All right. So substitute. So limits are given as here a 0.5 to 0.9. Is that given? 0.5 to 0.9. In that range, we have replaced a value of a probability density function. It is calculated here. All right. Okay. So it cannot be solved very easily. For that reason, we will go for the substitution method. In the substitution method, this complete term 2 into z to the power 3 by 2, let us replace it by a value x, right? So if that is the case, means these two limits will be changing. When z is equals to 0.5, then the respective x, so substitute z equals to 0.5, 0.5 raised to 3 by 2 multiplied with value 2, that gives 0.707. Then when z equals to 0.9, then respective value of x is 1.707. Right? Everyone should make use of a calculator, then try to solve. Now, so dz should be replaced in terms of dx, so that differentiate it. Differentiation of x is dx, 2 is written as it is, z to the power 3 by 2 into z to the power 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 is what? 1 by 2. Z to the power 1 by 2 can be written as a square root of z into a dz. All right. Now it can be written as simplified as 2 will be cancelled, dx equals to 3 into square root of z into dz. All right. After the proper substitution method, then this probability between the range 0.5 to 0.9 can be written as, limits are changed here, 0.707 to 1.707, so e to the power minus x. Now what is integration of e to the power minus x? It is what? Minus into e to the power minus x. Limit should be substituted. Now after simplification, we will get 13118. Minus sign should be written as it is, e to the power minus 1.707 minus lower limit e to the power minus 0.707. Do simplify, we will get 0.311.